Have you ever wondered how startups can thrive in a competitive market? Lean manufacturing principles can be the game changer you need. It's not just for mass production anymore. First, let's identify the value stream. Mapping out every step and creating value helps you see where you can improve. This is essential for delivering what your customers truly want. Next, eliminate waste. Focus on identifying non-value-adding activities like unnecessary processes or delays. Remember, every minute saved is a minute you can invest elsewhere. Now let's talk about flow optimization. Creating a smooth workflow eliminates bottlenecks and improves efficiency. A streamlined process means faster delivery and happier customers. For startup success, focus on your minimal viable product, or MVP. Launching quickly allows you to iterate based on real customer feedback. This approach saves time and resources while ensuring product-market fit. Embrace agile development next. Flexible and iterative processes help you adapt to market changes. Staying nimble is key in today's fast-paced environment. Lastly, implement customer feedback loops. Gathering insights from your customers allows for constant improvement. This keeps your product relevant and valuable to your audience. In summary, lean manufacturing can revolutionize your startup. By identifying value, eliminating waste, and focusing on customer feedback, you can drive success. Want to dive deeper? Check out emsstrategies.com for more insights.